In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk add tags in Mailchimp. Whether you're organizing your email lists for a targeted campaign or simply streamlining your audience management, tagging is an incredibly powerful way to segment your contacts and deliver tailored content. Managing tags manually for large numbers of contacts can be tedious, but luckily, Mailchimp offers a simple way to apply tags in bulk. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this feature to save time and keep your audience organized. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the central hub where you can access all your Mailchimp tools and settings. From here, look over to the left-hand menu and navigate to the Audience section. This is where all of your contact lists are stored, as well as the tools you'll need to manage and organize them. Now, if you manage multiple audiences within your Mailchimp account, it's important to make sure you've selected the one you want to work with. You can do this from the Audience section. Just choose the specific audience that you want to apply tags to. This is a key step because tags are applied to contacts within a single audience, so you'll want to be sure you're working on the right one. Once you've selected your audience, you'll see a number of options and settings available. Look for the Tags option within the Audience dashboard and click on it. This will take you to the Tags section, where you can create, manage, and view all the tags associated with your audience. From here, you'll want to use the Bulk Tag option. This feature is designed specifically for situations where you need to apply the same tag to a large group of contacts at once. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter the tag name you want to use. Take a moment to think about the tag name. It should be something clear and descriptive, so you can easily identify these contacts later on. Type in the tag name, and you're ready for the next step. Now, it's time to prepare your list of contacts. For this, you'll need a CSV file. This file should include either the email addresses or other contact identifiers of the people you want to tag. If you're not familiar with CSV files, don't worry. They're simply a type of spreadsheet file that Mailchimp can read. Open up your spreadsheet software, such as Excel or Google Sheets, and create a list of the contacts you want to tag. Save the file in CSV format to ensure compatibility with Mailchimp. Before uploading, double-check your file to make sure it's clean and accurate. This means removing any duplicate entries, correcting typos, and ensuring the data is formatted correctly. A clean file will help avoid errors during the upload process and ensure the tags are applied to the right contacts. Once your CSV file is ready, go back to Mailchimp and upload it. You can do this by selecting the file from your device. Mailchimp will then take a moment to process the file. Depending on the size of your contact list, this step might take a little time, so be patient and let the system do its work. When the file has been successfully processed, you'll see the option to apply the tag. This is the final step. Click on Apply Tag, and Mailchimp will assign the tag to all the contacts in your CSV file. That's it. Your tags are now applied, and your audience is organized and ready for your next email campaign. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.